That's where Jim went wrong. He should have been in the canoe and we should have pushed him out. Look at that. That is really tippy.
It is tippy, but you know, it's got to be balanced.
Remember the little rascals? Tippy hot.
Am I supposed to sit on the other little seat?
Yeah.
How's that work?
That's what I tried.
You can sit on the front if you want.
Good luck with that.
Dougie should probably face this way, huh? So you're going to paddle backwards and forwards.
I don't want to tip.
You're the wrong way there, Leah.
Oh, you got to turn around because she's got the back seat there. You ain't got no leg room there.
Oh.
You're in the front. You want to be in the back?
How fucked up is that? I ain't got a clue, Kim.
Well, that's where me and Kim had a problem,
Man,
too.
hey, Kim, this is where we're clueless.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right, Doug, now we're not going to tip.
Tippy high.
You're already doing better than we did.
I know how to steer, though, with oars.
Okay, let's not tip.
I don't.
Watch your head.
Oh, no, we're going that way, right?
Yeah, we're going upriver, lady.
Boom barrage!
Leah, put oar in, Leah. Put oar in.
Bye.
Leah.
You got to get on this side,
Leah, put oar in.
I'm not oaring.
I want to go. Put oar in. I know how to do it. All right. Ready? Let's go. Right, but I'm waiting. All right, ready?
There you go. One on each side.
Yeah.
See, Jim, how easy it is?
Hey, how's it going, Stumpy?
Oh, once we got going, we were going. What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Yeah, it's easy, huh?
It's going to be an Austin Powers thing in the... It's come back before dark.
$1 billion.
Let's go. Look out for the weeds.
Hey, Leah. What are you doing?
Good job.
That's good.
What? Kim's gonna fuck us up on Facebook.
Oh, shit. Here we go. All right, bon voyage.
You think they're gonna make it?
Come back before dark.
But not too soon.